One of our national banking clients recently introduced a new conceptual branch design. This was not a repeat project. This was a fresh design language. Financial year end, a new design rollout, and strict timeline to meet. This is where the execution got tested. And the timing was critical, which meant timelines were tight, expectations were high, and there was no room for delay. At the same time, new design always comes with unknowns, gaps, adjustments, on-ground realities. We were the first execution partner selected to bring this new design to life, which meant we were not just executing, we were setting the execution benchmark for future branches. We executed branches across Mumbai and Nagpur, working strictly within the given timelines, understanding the design, adapting on site, and ensuring every detail matched the design intent. Execution here was not just about speed. It was about understanding the new concept quickly, aligning the team, and delivering without compromising the quality. All locations were delivered on time with complete adherence to design guidelines, with consistent to quality, and more importantly, precise workmanship. Executing on existing design is predictable. Executing a new concept, that's where execution capability is proven. At AK Interiors, that's what we deliver.